Dwight Howard.
First of all, I want to thank all you guys for coming today. Thank all the legends for being here. King, thank you, Clyde, Yal, Elvin, Ralph, Little Man. Thank you for coming today. It really means a lot. Thank everybody for being here, man. It's a great opportunity. It's a great feeling just to be here, to have a fresh start. And I'm so excited. You know, Chandler, he's probably the guy you should really thank. You know, he's blowing my phone up every day. But you know, he's been great. And, you know, I'm just so happy to be here, man. This is an unbelievable, you know, opportunity for myself and for the city and this team, and I can't wait, you know, to really just start playing basketball, but also get out in the community and make a difference, you know. And I think that's one of the biggest reasons, you know, why I'm here, is to really make a difference, you know, on and off the court, and to have a great opportunity to do that here. And I'm just looking forward to it. And so thank you.
All right, this was really